To Mumbai, and heavy rain has caused waterlogging in low-lying areas. The Andheri subway has been flooded and has subsequently been shut down. It is closed for the day. The Met Office has issued a red alert warning for various parts of Mumbai. In fact, they have issued a stay-at-home advisory as well. High tide is expected not just today but over the course of the next 4 days, and it is Saturday that is expected to be the worst of this 4-day spell. We are expecting very heavy showers in the area. Let's get you a report from my colleague Sujata, who gets us a sense of how bad it is this morning, this afternoon in Mumbai.
Mumbai and its surrounding regions are now lashed with heavy rainfall since morning. At present, we are here in Naigaon, where heavy rainfall continues and also people are facing difficulties while driving on the roads. At present, we are here right at the highway, and like you see, the traffic movement currently is normal, but if the rain continue and persists to be in the same manner and with the same speed as it is right now, this could worsen and we could see a huge traffic jam coming up on this highway, which directly connects to the other areas of Palghar and Thane. And the IMD at present has issued an orange alert for Mumbai, whereas also an alert has been given for regions like Thane and Palghar, because they consist of several low-lying regions and isolated places as well. People have been informed to not go to such regions, and also people have been asked to not go by the sea to ensure their safety, whereas also emergency services have been kept on alert, and lifeguards have been asked to be on alert near the oceanic as well as the seaside regions. And at present, it is the Mumbai police too have issued an alert for people, asking them to be indoors and not leave their homes and offices unless and until it's very important. And if there's any emergency, they have been asked to dial on the emergency number that has been given by the Mumbai police. Henceforth, since morning, we are witnessing great amount of rainfall in Mumbai as well as in Maharashtra, and because of which people have been asked to take care of themselves. But at this point, it is also to notice that what are the preparations that have been done by the BMC to ensure that no waterlogging, no service disruptions, no traffic-like conditions are witnessed in Mumbai, as well as the other municipal corporations' preparations as well in cities like Thane and Palghar. And how is it that they ensure that public safety this time is a priority? With video journalist Mahesh Halwai, this is Sujata Dwivedi reporting for NDTV.